Alright, this is the highest point on the boat where it's quite windy. So for that reason, I have to mute the microphone. Anyway, we are about to ride a rooftop hydraulic elevator here. This is an elevator right here. You push the button to get in, then you push the button here, and this is actually a hydraulic elevator. A rooftop hydraulic elevator. And they got music blasting in here, so I'm going to talk over it till we get to hear the motor. You might hear the motor. See, this is the 16th floor. Now let's try to go up to 18. And we'll hear the music and the motor. At least this music was kind of quiet, but yeah, see, this is actually a rooftop hydraulic elevator, and then you go outside, and here you are outside. So yeah, that is a pretty cool elevator. Alright, we're gonna go back down to deck. Let's see here. It's still here. We'll go back down to deck. We'll hit it'll is single call. We'll go down to 16, but watch this. You can kind of see it moving through the door crack. And here we go. And the music is just blaring in here, but you can see the elevator moving. 17 is literally just a few steps down from 18, so now it's getting quiet again. I believe it's a Kone. And then you walk out here, and there goes that door. And watch this. The elevator will close and it'll cause the outside door to open again. It's really interesting. There it goes, and it made the outside door open again. Motion activated, and then it'll close. Uh-oh, the video's over. But it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.